Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, we are going to build a new MacBook. We'll try if that is possible or not. So we downloaded the ISO image file. Okay. Now wait, what we have to do is we need to cancel. Now we need to type in the name of the machine. That's gonna be MAC VM001. Okay. Now, where will you save this? On the same location or different location?
No, different location.
Okay, choose the
Mm,
location of your choice. Folder, new folder, MSC VM001. Okay, so you have chosen that one. Now ISO we will choose later on, okay, not now. So Mac OS, Mac 64, that's okay. Next, um, we have to give, let's give 8 GB. Is any machine running right now?
No, nothing.
Okay, so let's give 16 GB then. Half of this. 16 is, 1 minute, I will tell you the exact number. 16 multiplied by 1024. 16384. 16384. Okay, 16 GB. Now give 4-core processor. Give 8-core processor. Next. Give 80 GB. Next. Finish. Now click on settings. Now let's go to system. And here we have acceleration. Click on acceleration. Oh, this is okay. Display, and then check the box, enable 3D acceleration. And the video memory, the first one, which is 16 megabyte, increase to the, yeah, take it at the right hand side, all the way to the right, all the way to the right. Okay, 128 megabyte. Okay, and let's go to storage. And the one which says empty, click on empty. And at the right hand side, you have the disk icon. Click on that and choose a disk file. And choose the Ventura disk which we downloaded. Yes. Okay, now let's go to the USB and choose the third option, USB 3.0, and click OK. 1 minute, let me take a look on my notes. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click on setting again, copy the name, copy, close it, click on put it on a notepad. No, don't start. Now close this virtual box. Now open command prompt with admin. You have to do some changes. Okay, I'm gonna give you those changes what you have to do. Wait a minute. So 1 minute. Let me copy this one and give it to you. Okay, so this is the one. Now I'm gonna send that to you on the WhatsApp group. Plus I'm gonna send it to you on the chat window here. Chat. Oh, don't use the chat. Use the
Mm.
WhatsApp group
Okay.
and put it on the notepad. Copy it from there and put it on the notepad. Okay, so below, uh, okay, press Control H on the keyboard and type in VM space name, and in below replace with the below box, type in capital MAC VM001. MAC. MAC VM001. Replace all. Hmm, hmm. Okay, close it. Now wait a minute. So have you closed VirtualBox? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Copy the entire commands. Yeah. Copy everything below as well. One more line. One more line. Hmm. Yeah. Copy. Do you have an Intel processor or AMD?
Intel.
Okay. Have you copied?
Yes.
Now go to command prompt. Right click on that. Scroll up. Okay. 1 minute. Close the command prompt. Okay. Close this website. Open the VirtualBox manager now. Power on this machine. Close the notification. Let's see what happens. English and then next. Wait. Now we have various options here. We will choose a disk utility. Disk utility, continue. Okay. Now the first one which says VBox hard disk media, click on that. You have given 85.9 gigabyte, right? Let's click on erase. On the top you have erase option. Basically we are formatting this disk. Now name it MAC VM001. Erase. Done. Okay, so this is done. Now you need to close this, the red icon at the left hand side. Close. Now choose the second option, install Mac OS 13 beta. Continue. Continue. So basically what we are doing here, we are making, yeah, agree. We are building up a new MacBook. Okay. Choose the disk and continue. Do you have any, do you have MacBook? Anyone? Subhajit? No one?
No,
I can
not
get
having.
one tomorrow.
Okay. So if this does not work, for example, then
Mhm.
Toby, if you can arrange a MacBook, then we
Yes,
will
I will.
see how to enroll Mac devices as well. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So let's see whether it works or not. So basically what we are doing, we are building up a MacBook so that we can see the enrollment process on MacBook as well. We have seen enrollment process on Android, Windows, iOS, Linux. Now MacBook is the one which is pending.
I think it will take some 15 to 20 minutes. Something like that.
Right. I think it restarted. It went to the same screen again, right?
Yes, I think it failed.
Oh, okay. Let's try again. One last time. Disk utility. Continue. Choose Mac, MSC, erase, erase. Oh, it's
Yeah, it's crashing.
crashing. Okay. Okay, fine, no worries. So what you can do, you can arrange a new MacBook in case if you have it, then we will see how to enroll
Yeah,
Mac
sure.
devices.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's minimize this. It's not gonna work. Give me control. Okay.
Okay.
So in order to enroll Mac devices, basically you have to have the same prerequisite, what you have it for iPhone, the certificate. So you need to come to this Intune portal On Intune, let's go to iOS, iPad, and then enrollment. You see, we have uploaded the certificate yesterday for Apple devices. When you go to this Apple, you see the certificate is added. So once you add the certificate for iOS, the same certificate we can use for MacBooks. So let's go to Mac now, devices, and then Mac OS. Now in Mac, you go to enrollment and then Apple MDM push certificate. You see, it's the same one. Okay, already activated. So once you add it for iOS, it will get added for MacBook as well by default. And then you can create enrollment types just like we did it for iOS, iPad. You can do it for MacBook as well. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
Then in order to deploy application on Mac devices, you can come to apps, Mac OS, sorry, and then add, and then choose various other options are here. Like you can go with line of business, Mac OS DMG, right? Then you have Mac OS for Defender and Defender for Endpoint, Edge browser, a Microsoft 365 application. So let me go with this one. Select. Okay. Next. And here we can choose whether you would like to deploy in required mode or available mode. Depends on you. Okay. So let's go with available. Okay. That is how we deploy Office 365 application on MacBook. Then in case if you would like to deploy Edge browser on MacBook, then you can choose this one. Or Microsoft Defender on MacBook, then you can choose this one. Okay. Line of business application. So line of business application, you need to download .pkg file. You have to have .pkg file. Okay. So let's download. Do we have VLC media player .pkg file for MacBook? Download. Okay, so I downloaded okay, so it downloaded .dmg, not pkg. So I'm looking for .pkg. Let's see whether will it download pkg or dmg. What? It's downloading in dmg itself. Okay, not the pkg one. Finally, I found one file which is in PKG, okay, and one in DMG. Let's try this. So we'll go to Intune portal and select app, the Edge browser. This is in PKG format, okay. What happened? Not coming. Finally. So click OK. So you see Microsoft Edge.pkg, right? Name, description. Then you can type in the publisher, Microsoft. Minimum version, you can type in anything of your choice. Then ignore app version. Yes, install as managed. Okay. Rest everything we can leave them default. Logo, you can add logo next, and then you can deploy it to the group, either available or required. So I'm gonna go with available, and it's gonna be deployed in Windows 10 user group. Okay, so .pkg we have seen. Now we will see the .dmg. Okay, so let's see the .dmg add, and then we will see the .dmg. PKG we have already seen, right? DMG. Select DMG, VLC media player. Okay, so VLC media player, publisher, VLC, category, photo and media, and rest everything will be default. Next. Now minimum operating system, anything. Next. Detection rule, I'll leave the default. Next. Include app must contain at least one app. Okay. Provide the list of app that is included in this case sensitive. Okay. You will have to give the bundle ID that you will get it from the vendor website. Okay. And then you go next and upload this application. Configure the app bundle identifier and version number to be used to detect the presence of the application. Provide the list of apps included in the uploaded file. The app list is case sensitive. The app listed first used. Reporting. So basically you will get it on the vendor website and then you can upload this file. Is that understood, everyone?
So the app ID, again, where do you get it from? The vendor website?
Vendor website. Let me click on
Can
this
we just dial
learn.
some, can we just type something and then continue with it, or do we need the
Let's
app ID?
let's see. We have to app version cannot be empty. Yes, it went ahead. Okay. And then next and create. So this is how you can create the application. Add a Mac OS DMG app to Microsoft Intune. The prerequisite device is management devices smaller than 8 GB important. Can the deploying app G select the type app. Okay, app requirement detection rule. That is what we have to read. You can use detection rule to choose how an application installation is detected on the manager. Say ignore app version, select yes. If the app is not already installed, and this will only look for the presence of the application. So then when it's not okay. Include app, please provide apps. Okay. To uninstall group assignment, consider the app. So the app one. Must match the remove the app when ignore app version is set to yes. Only the bundle ID must match. Okay, I will find out a different website which gives more proper information, with example rather than this one. Okay, so this is how we deploy Mac application. So tomorrow when we meet, we'll see how to enroll MacBook. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Any question before we wrap it up?
No question. Thank you, sir.
No question. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye now. Bye everyone.